Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you looking to boost your productivity, streamline your workflow, and collaborate seamlessly? You are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the world of Office 365, now known as Microsoft 365. We will explain what it is, what it offers, and how to get you started. Whether you are a student, a freelancer, or a business professional, Microsoft 365 has something for you. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is Microsoft 365? At its core, it's a subscription based service that provides access to a suite of powerful applications and cloud based services. You are probably familiar with some of the classic like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. But Microsoft 365 goes far beyond that. Word for creating and editing documents, Excel for managing data and performing calculations, PowerPoint for creating engaging presentations, Outlook for email, calendar, and contact management, Teams for collaboration, communication, and video conferencing, OneDrive for cloud storage and file sharing. Microsoft 365 is designed to be accessible from anywhere on any device, making it incredibly flexible and convenient. Key feature highlights of Microsoft 365 apps. Microsoft Word lets you write letters, reports, and more. Checks your spellings and grammar. Helps you make your documents look nice. Allows you to collaborate with others on the same documents at the same time. Microsoft Excel helps you organize numbers and data. Lets you make charts and graphs. Performs calculations for you. Useful for budgets, lists, and data analysis. Microsoft PowerPoint lets you create slideshows with pictures and text. Helps you present information to others. Offers design ideas to make your presentations look good. Microsoft Outlook lets you send and receive email. Helps you manage your calendar and schedule appointments. Keeps track of your contacts. Microsoft Teams lets you chat, have video calls, and hold online meetings. Helps team work together on projects. Allows you to share files easily. Microsoft OneDrive lets you save your files online. Allows you to access your files from anywhere. Helps you share files with others. Backs up your files so you don't lose them. Microsoft 365 highlights works on many devices. You can use it on computers, tablets, and phones. Always up to date. You get the latest features and security updates automatically. Collaboration. Easy to work with others on documents and projects. Cloud based. Many functions are stored in the cloud, so you can access them from anywhere with internet. Now let's talk about subscriptions. Microsoft 365 offers a variety of plans to suit different needs. You can choose from personal, family, or business plans. The Microsoft 365 family plans. The Microsoft 365 family plans are Microsoft 365 Family and Microsoft 365 Personal. In Microsoft 365 Family, it is for 1 to 6 people. We can sign in into 5 devices at once. We can use it on PCs, Macs, phones, and tablets. It has up to 6 TB of secure cloud storage, which is 1 TB per person. It has productivity apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Notes, OneDrive, Teams, and also includes Microsoft Copilot. It has Data and device security. Microsoft 365 gives ad-free secure email. Microsoft 365 personal plan is for one person. We can sign into 5 devices at once. We can use it on PCs, Macs, phones, and tablets. It has 1 TB of secure cloud storage. Microsoft 365 Personal includes productivity apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Notes, OneDrive with Microsoft Copilot. It has data and device security. Microsoft 365 gives ad-free secure email. Microsoft 365 business plans are as follows. Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Microsoft 365 Business Standard, Microsoft 365 Business Premium, and Microsoft 365 apps only for business. The business plans have the following services: identity access and user management for up to 300 employees, custom business email, web and mobile versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, chat, call, and video conference with Microsoft Teams, 1 TB of cloud storage per employee, 10 plus additional apps for your business needs, like Microsoft Bookings, Planner, Form, and others, automatic spam and malware filtering, anytime phone and web support. Microsoft 365 Copilot is available as an add-on. The components of Microsoft 365 Business Basic are desktop versions of Teams, Outlook email service, OneDrive, SharePoint, and web and mobile apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Microsoft 365 Business Standard has all the features of Microsoft 365 Business Basic plus desktop versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. We can take webinars with attendee registration and reporting. We can have collaborative workspace to co-create using Microsoft Loop. We can edit videos and have design tools with Microsoft Clipchamp. Microsoft 365 Copilot is available as an add-on. Desktop, web, and mobile apps and secure cloud services like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, SharePoint, Exchange email service, Clipchamp, and Microsoft Loop. Microsoft 365 Business Premium has all the features of business standard plus advanced identity and access management, enhanced cyber threat protection against virus and phishing attacks, enterprise grade device and endpoint protection, discover, classify, and protect sensitive information. Microsoft 365 Copilot is available as an add-on. It has desktop, web, and mobile apps and secure cloud services like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, SharePoint, Exchange email service, Clipchamp, Microsoft Loop, Microsoft Entra, Intune, Microsoft Defender, and Microsoft Purview. Next is Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. This has desktop versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. It has 1 TB of cloud storage per user. It has anytime phone and web support. Microsoft 365 Copilot is available as an add-on. This includes desktop, web, mobile apps, and secure cloud services like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive. Microsoft 365 is available for large enterprises also. These are the following Microsoft 365 enterprise plans. Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise Office 365 E1, Office 365 E3, Office 365 E5. All these plans are available without Teams. That means Teams is available as an add-on for enterprise plans. The Microsoft 365 apps for business has Microsoft 365 on the web, which create and edit rights for online versions of core Microsoft 365 apps. And we can install apps on up to 5 PCs, 5 tablets, and 5 mobile devices. It has 1 TB of OneDrive cloud storage. Anytime phone and web support is available. Microsoft 365 Copilot is available as an add-on. The apps and services included are Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, Microsoft Access for PC only, Delve, Sway, and Microsoft Forms. The next plan is Office 365 E1. It has Microsoft 365 on the web with create and edit rights for online versions of core Microsoft 365 apps. It has email, file storage, and file sharing. It gives 1 TB of OneDrive cloud storage per user. It has anytime phone and web support. Microsoft 365 Copilot is available as an add-on. The apps and services included are OneDrive, Exchange, SharePoint, Viva Engage, Viva Insight, Bookings, Delve, Stream, Sway, Forms, Power Apps, Power Automate, Planner, and To Do. The next plan is Office 365 E3. It has everything in Office 365 E1, No Teams Plan Plus, installable Microsoft 365 apps on up to 5 PCs or Macs, 5 tablets, and 5 mobile devices per user. Message encryption, rights management, data loss prevention for emails and file. Microsoft 365 Copilot is available as an add-on. The apps and services included are Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Microsoft Access for PC only, Exchange, SharePoint, Viva Engage, Viva Insight, Bookings, OneNote, Delve, Stream, Sway, Form, Power Apps, Power Automate, Planner, and To Do. The next plan is Office 365 E5 without Teams and without audio conferencing. It has everything in Office 365 E3 No Teams plan plus advanced security and compliance capabilities, scalable business analytics with Power BI. Microsoft 365 Copilot is available as an add-on. The apps and services included are Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Access for PC only version, Exchange, SharePoint, Viva Engage, Viva Insight, Booking, OneNote, Delve, Stream, Sway, Com, Power Apps, Power Automate, Planner, To Do, and Power BI Pro. Once you have a subscription, accessing Microsoft 365 is easy. You can do it through your web browser. Just go to office.com or Microsoft365.com. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. This is your central hub for all your Microsoft 365 applications. Alternatively, you can download the desktop applications to your computer. Based on your subscription, these applications are included with your subscription and provide a more traditional desktop experience. You can find the download link on the Microsoft 365 website after you login. Mm. Let's take a quick tour of the online portal. At the top left, you will see the app launcher with 9 dots, often referred to as the waffle icon. Clicking this will reveal all the available apps. You can quickly switch between apps with just a click. On the left hand side, you will see a navigation menu. This menu provides quick access to frequently used features such as your files, recent documents, and shared items. The main area of the dashboard displays your recent documents, suggested actions, and quick access to various apps. You can customize this view to suit your preferences. You will also notice the Create button where you can create new documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Spend some time exploring the interface and getting familiar with its layout. You will find that it's intuitive and easy to use. Now let's do a quick example. Let's say you need to create a new document. Click on the Word icon from the app launcher. A new browser tab will open and you will be ready to start creating your document. You can start typing, format your text, and add images just as you would in the desktop version of the Word application. Remember, all your work is automatically saved to OneDrive, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress. You can access your documents from any device with an internet connection. And that's a quick overview of Microsoft 365. We have covered what it is, the different subscription options, how to access the online portal, and how to navigate the interface. Now it's your turn to explore and get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy productivity. Goodbye.